If you're still using the default admin password, you're leaving your GeoServer instance wide open. Let's change that in under 2 minutes. Let's navigate to our GeoServer portal. Our portal comes up in the browser. Now let's log in using the default username and password. It's admin and GeoServer. After logging in as admin, on the left side you will see that there are the security settings. And here in the security settings, there are users, groups, and roles. Click on the users, groups, and roles. Here, select the users/groups tab. And here we can see the admin username. Clicking on the admin username will allow us to change the password. I recommend to choose a strong password. And after typing in the password and confirming it, we click on Save. Saving allows us to use the new password. So what we can do now is to log out, try the old one. We get rejected by GeoServer. Now let's try the new one. And we are back in the administration page of GeoServer. If this was helpful, check out our next video where we will describe how to recover admin access without the user interface.